Yeah, we are live here in Igangan. Igangan náà la ṣe wá o. Ìlú wa rèé o. Ẹ ò mọ̀ ṣe ṣe wá. Ẹ ò mọ̀ ṣe ṣe wá o. Igangan la wá o. Ìlú wa tí ó ń ṣe ìlú onílù. Ìlú wa gangan ẹ ò mọ̀ ṣe sun gbogbo ṣọ́ọ̀pù. Ẹ wo. Wọ́n tún sun ilé epo wa náà. Hey. Fúlàní nílùú wa. Hey. Tí ó ń ṣe ìlú onílùú. Babode náà ti pa yìí o.
Babode kan ni babode lórí náà.
Allahu Akbar. Wọ́n ṣèyàn báyìí. Wọ́n ṣèyàn báyìí. Fúlàní lélẹ́yìn tí ẹ. Àkútú pọ̀ ẹ̀ lọ́nà ọ̀run. See, they burned our filling station. Wọ́n sun ilé epo, wọ́n sun ṣọ́ọ̀bù, wọ́n sun àwa náà. Ìlú wa tí ó ń ṣe ló ń lù, ìlú wa gangan. Ká máa sá lọ, ká máa sun ìlú wa. Ẹ wo ṣọ́ọ̀bù, àwọn ṣọ́ọ̀bù náà ti sun yìí o. Àwọn Fúlàní ló sun bo ṣọ́ọ̀bù yìí o. Ẹ̀wọ̀n ìsàn àwọn ṣọ́ọ̀bù wa. Hey. This is live in Igangan. Barapa North Local Government, Oyo State. This is live. This is live. Not a pre-recorded. This is live. 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 Please, if you are watching this, help us tag the governor. Engineer Seyi Makinde should see this. This is live in Igangan right now. We can't sleep anymore. We can't rest in our town, in our hometown, where we are born. We can't sleep again. This is total bullshit. This is a shame to the federal government. This is a shame to the state government. This is a very serious shame. See, they burned mostly everywhere. All the shops in this area, they burned everywhere. Please, if you are watching this, help us tag the engineer Seyi Makinde. Help us tag our governor, please. This is not so good. We flew away. I need láti sá lọ kúrò ní ìlú wa, kó má bàa pa wá. A lọ sínú igbó. Still, ìyẹn náà tún tẹ́ wọn lọ́rùn. They burned all the trucks they met on the road. They burned it. If you are watching this, please help me tag engineer Seyi Makinde to see this. This can't continue like this. They killed many people. Corpses of dead bodies are lying on the road right now as I speak. Corpses of dead bodies are lying on the road as I speak right now. Please help us tag engineer Seyi Makinde and all the Yoruba leaders. This is Igangan, Barapa North Local Government, Oyo State. This can't continue like this. The Fulani, they came by 10:30 p.m. yesterday night and they raised all the nooks and crannies of Igangan. They killed many people. Corpses of dead bodies are lying on the road right now as I speak. As I make this video, this is live. This is not a pre-recorded. See, all the shops are burned. All the shops are burned. This is not a pre-recorded stuff. This is a live video. If you are watching this, please help us tag those that should know about it. This is Igangan. This is Igangan. Aside brother. They burned everywhere. Please help us tag those that should hear about this. This is a live video. They burned all the shops. This is not. I repeat, this is not a drill. This is real. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. They killed everybody. They killed all. See, they killed someone here. This is the corpse of dead bodies are lying on the road right now as I speak. This is by so far the best beer seller in Igogon. They burned the shops. They burned properties worth of millions of naira here. They burned everywhere. See, this truck, it is loaded with elubo. They killed the driver. They killed the passenger. They killed the conductor. They burned the vehicle down. They burned the goods there worth millions of naira. This is not so good. This can't continue like this. If you are watching this, please help me tag those that are more powerful than us. We can't sleep peacefully in our town again. This is our town, not theirs. This can't continue like this. Help us tag Engineer Seyi Makinde. Tag everywhere that needs to be hear about this. We are tired of this massacre. Corpses of dead bodies are lying on the road. See, they kept on burning the shops till 3 a.m. This is not so good. Shops worth of billions of naira, I must say. This is a gas refill plant here. They burn this Ashigogon Palace. Our own king, Ashigogon. They burn this palace down. So who are we? Who are we the commoners that they can burn they can even burn us in our town? Fulani militia. They came by 11 p.m. yesterday night and they kept doing their stuff around here as if this place was Sambisa Forest. We called the military personnel, we called the police department, we called everybody. Nobody came until this morning when they have done their part. See, they are now going like this. I just saw WSN this morning. None of them interfered. We called them. They said we are giving them problems. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is real. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is real. This is not a pre-recorded video. This is live. This is live at Igogon, Ibarakwa North Government of your state. This can't continue like this. This can't continue like this. Help us tag engineer. If you are watching this, please kindly help us tag Engineer Seyi Makinde. This can't continue like this. They came by 10:30 p.m. yesterday. They scattered this shop. They burned the rest of the shops by the roadside. They burned the filling station. They burned our gas plants. They burned Ashigogon Palace. They burned the vehicles they met on the road. They macheted the people they saw on the road. We are so tired of this. We are so tired of this. This can't continue like this. Ó mà ṣe o. Ó mà ṣe o. See, wọ́n ti fẹ́ pa bátán Igogon o. Igogon láwa yóò Igogon ìlú àkómárè ìlú wa. Igogon that's meant to be peaceful, that was meant to be very peaceful. Now it has meant to be a sacred place nowadays. This is Igogon right now. This is not a drill. This is so real. This is not a drill. They burned down Ashigogon Palace. They burned these gas plants. See, this is gas refill plants. They burned everywhere down. Can you see? They burned. This is not a drill. Help us tag those that are more powerful than us. Tag the state government. Tag the federal. This is Ashigogon Palace, for goodness sake. See those cars. These cars you are looking at, they are worth millions of naira. Billions of naira, for goodness sake. This can't continue like this. This is Ashigogon Palace. They burned all the shops they met by the roadside. They burned everywhere. This can't continue. We must voice out. We must force out. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. This is live video. This is live video. I repeat, this is live video. Tag as many people as you want. Join me on this live video. Join me on this live video. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. This is very real. This is not a drill at all. Scores of dead bodies are lying on the road right now. Scores of dead bodies are lying on the road. This can't continue like this. Something has to change. Something has to change. This is truck loaded with cassava flour, elubo, worth millions of naira. They burned it. They came at 10 p.m. yesterday and they do their worst. They did their worst and left by 3 a.m. We didn't have enough firepower. We were not provided with much security personnel, no military personnel, no police department, no Amotekun corps. Everywhere was just scattering around. We are tired of this. We are so tired of this. This shop, as you are looking at, it is the best and the wear seller here. Goods worth of millions, billions of naira, they burn it down. We call him Omo. Goods worth of millions of naira, they burn it down. This can't continue like this. We have to voice out. This can't continue like this. They killed our brothers, they macheted our sisters, they killed our fathers, they killed our mothers. This can't continue like this. This can't continue like this. This can't continue like this. They killed us, they burned our shops, they raped our women, they did their worst. They came by 10:30 p.m. yesterday. They did their worst. They burned all the shops down. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is the Igangan Ibarapa North government or your state. This is not a drill. Please tag as many people as you want. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Please help us tag those that are more powerful than us. We are not provided with enough security personnel, no police departments, no Amotekun corps, no military personnel. We did this. We have to protect ourselves by our local hunters. Our local hunters did their best, so, but this can't continue like this. We voted for peace. We voted for change, but the change hasn't reflected. This is so worse. They burned all the shops. They killed many people. They raised the shops down. They burned all the shops. This is not so good.